Hey everyone, welcome again. In this video I will going to show how to convert your OS from hard disk to SSD for best boot performance. I will also show you how to install this SSD by replacing the hard disk one, so that we need some of the peripherals. So this is a SSD caddy. We called it as a caddy, which basically keeps the SSD in place. So we need a normal Phillips head screwdriver and a laptop, of course. It may be any laptop, but there will be some access points to enter in your board. So in this case, in my laptop, it has some screws beside the laptop, so we have to unscrew all of them. After unscrewing the screws, we have to pry the keyboard layout so that we can enter inside. You can use any prying tool. A plastic one will be much better. After open the layout, you can see that they have two connections of keyboard and mouse. In some cases the fingerprint scanner reader also will be there, so you have to be very careful and remove the flex cables first. You should be very gentle towards it. After removing it, you can keep this keyboard layout aside, and then we can work in the main board itself. Taking a closer look in your motherboard is a very good practice, because whether any unwanted screws will be left inside, then it will create a very much damage. And check your fan whether it is rotating flawlessly, because what happens is sometimes dust will occupy and the fan won't be running. It is also again a problem itself. So our work here is the caddy. By removing the required screws, I will say, make it loose and remove it outside. The main advantage of this product is we will get SSD fast performance in Windows, I mean OS. Also we will get huge storage in hard drive shape, so it will be a hybrid system. Now let us ready the caddy. In caddy also it comes in required mm's. Mine is 9 mm and some older laptops will have 12 point some mm's. So check your optical disk drive mm, then order it. By removing the outer layer also, we have to transfer every bit to here. Please place the SSD gently. By pushing towards the connector, it will automatically fix it, but for safety purpose we have to always ensure the screws to be fixed at the back side. For sample purpose, I will just screw 2 of them diagonally. In some cases, even the outer flip like thing, it should also be replaced. It completely depends on model to model, laptop to laptop. So you have to be the one, you should know and do the necessary thing. Now gently place the caddy back in the position where the optical disc drive were. After placing the caddy also comes with this just outer layer like thing. You can also keep this, or you can actually remove the one which is in this disk drive, I mean the CD. So you can also remove that plastic outer case and you can also install in this, but as of now I will just fix the whatever I got with the package. After screwing it down, it will successfully be placed in the position, but before screwing or before doing anything, just connect the flex cables and turn on your PC and just check whether the system is running. If you want your SSD to load with Windows straight away, do check out my SSD cloning video from the top right I button for hassle-free experience. After finishing this video, you can also check that out. So after everything done successfully, my PC starts. So I will place the comparison. So here is a two video. The top left one is without SSD one, and bottom right one is with SSD one. And I will also zoom in the time so you can have a watch. The SSD should not take this much time because I started it for the very first time without installing any drivers. It took somewhat 30 seconds or so, but off the camera I did many times. It comes nearly to 10 to 15 seconds. So you can see in without SSD one, even though the laptop begins, but internally it keep on loading the startup stuffs. So these are the hard disk scenario. As I mentioned, the end result were pretty decent. Without SSD it took 1 and 30 minutes, with SSD it was 35 on the record, but off camera I did many times, and also I have installed many like this. It came around 10 to 15 seconds only. So that's it in this video guys. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you like my work, please subscribe. It helps a lot. Thank you.